Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F track saw. Color: black, light green, silver, white. Weight: 22.8 pounds. Category: plunge-cut track saw. If you're looking for a precision track saw for woodworking, the Festool TS55 FEQ-F is one of those tools that immediately stands out. It's built for clean, controlled cuts, and the included 55-inch guide rail helps make straight cuts feel much easier, whether you're working with plywood, hardwood, or sheet goods. One feature I really like is the splinter guard. It helps reduce tear out on both sides of the cut, which can save time on sanding or touch-up work. The plunge cut design also gives you better control when starting cuts in the middle of a panel, and the riving knife adds an extra level of safety while helping keep the blade from binding. Another nice detail is that the cutting edge stays consistent even when adjusting the bevel from 90 to 47 degrees. That makes angled cuts more predictable and helps improve accuracy during detailed projects. The 1200-watt motor delivers solid cutting performance, and Festool's accessory system gives you room to expand your setup over time. On the downside, this isn't a lightweight saw, so carrying it around the job site may take a little more effort. It's also a premium tool, making it a better fit for serious woodworkers than occasional DIY users. Overall, the Festool TS55 FEQ-F looks like a dependable choice for anyone who values clean, accurate cuts and professional-level woodworking performance. Number 4. Evolution R185 CCSX Track Saw Kit. Color: multicolor. Weight: 18.1 pounds. Category: multi-material circular track saw. The Evolution R185 CCSX is an interesting option if you need one saw that can handle more than just wood. Instead of swapping blades for different materials, it's designed to cut wood, plastic, and even certain metals using the included multi-material blade, making it a practical choice for a variety of workshop and DIY projects. One thing that stands out is the included 40-inch guide track. It helps keep long cuts straight and controlled, especially when working with large panels. The 15-amp motor provides plenty of power for demanding jobs, while the adjustable cutting depth of up to 2.5 inches gives you flexibility for different materials and project sizes. I also like the 0 to 45-degree bevel capability, which makes angled cuts easier when you're building furniture, installing flooring, or tackling home improvement projects. The soft grip handles feel comfortable during longer cutting sessions, and the dust extraction port is a useful addition if you want to keep your workspace cleaner. There are a couple of trade-offs though. At just over 18 pounds, it isn't the lightest circular track saw, so it may feel a bit heavy during extended use. And while it's designed for multiple materials, using the correct cutting technique is still important for the best finish on each type of material. Overall, the Evolution R185 CCSX offers impressive versatility in one package. If you're looking for a track saw that can tackle a wide range of materials without constantly changing blades, this looks like a solid and practical choice. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Track Saw Kit. Color: teal. Weight: 16.5 pounds. Category: plunge circular track saw. The Makita SP6000J1 is a track saw that's built with precision in mind, making it a strong option for woodworkers who want clean, accurate cuts. Right out of the box, it includes a 55-inch guide rail and a stackable tool case, so you have everything needed to get started on sheet goods and fine woodworking projects. What I like most is how smooth the saw feels during operation. The 12-amp motor offers variable speed control from 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute, allowing you to match the blade speed to different materials instead of using one setting for every job. Electronic speed control also helps maintain consistent performance when the saw is under load, which can make long cuts feel more controlled. The plunge cut design is great for starting cuts exactly where you need them, and the saw is designed to produce clean, splinter-free results when paired with the guide rail. Its bevel range from -1 to 48 degrees, along with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees, gives you extra flexibility for angled cuts without making adjustments overly complicated. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a corded tool, so you'll need access to a power outlet while working. It's also designed primarily for woodworking rather than cutting a wide variety of materials. Overall, the Makita SP6000J1 delivers the accuracy, smooth operation, and reliable performance that many woodworkers look for. If precision is your top priority, this is a solid track saw worth considering. Number 2. Makita XPS01 PTJ Cordless Track Saw. Color, multicolor. Weight, 27.6 pounds. Category, cordless plunge circular track saw. If you like the freedom of cordless tools but don't want to sacrifice cutting performance, the Makita XPS01 PTJ is definitely worth a closer look. It's powered by two 18-volt LXD batteries that work together as a 36-volt system, giving you the convenience of cordless operation without dealing with a power cord. One of the highlights is the brushless motor, which delivers speeds up to 6,300 revolutions per minute. Combined with automatic speed change technology, the saw adjusts speed and torque while you're cutting, helping it stay smooth and consistent through different types of wood. The variable speed dial also lets you fine-tune the blade speed depending on the material you're working with. For woodworking projects, the plunge-cut design offers excellent control, and the saw can cut close to walls at about 11/16 of an inch, which is useful in tighter spaces. The bevel capability adds flexibility for angled cuts, making it a good fit for cabinetry, flooring, and other detailed work. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. The guide rail is sold separately, so you'll need to purchase that if you want the full track saw experience. The complete kit is also fairly heavy because it includes two batteries, although that's a common trade-off for longer cordless runtime. Overall, the Makita XPS01 PTJ combines cordless convenience with strong cutting performance and precision. If you're looking for a professional-grade cordless plunge saw for woodworking, this appears to be a dependable and well-rounded option. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L Track Saw. Color, black. Weight, 10.2 pounds. Category, plunge circular track saw. The Bosch GKT13-225L is designed for woodworkers who want clean, accurate cuts without making the cutting process feel complicated. Its plunge action design makes it easy to start cuts exactly where you need them, whether you're trimming plywood, cutting laminated panels, or working on custom cabinetry. One of the first things you'll notice is how lightweight it feels compared to many other track saws. At just over 10 pounds, it's easier to handle during longer projects while still feeling solid in your hands. The 1,560-watt motor delivers consistent cutting power, and Bosch's constant electronic system helps maintain blade speed when the saw is working through tougher materials. The plunge mechanism allows for accurate depth adjustments, and the single bevel pivot point means you don't have to reposition the track for bevel cuts when using a compatible guide rail, which is sold separately. That small detail can make repeated angled cuts quicker and more convenient. Another feature I appreciate is the dust collection setup. When connected to a compatible vacuum, the efficient dust extraction system and swiveling hose port help keep the workspace cleaner and prevent the hose from getting in the way while cutting. One limitation is that the guide rail isn't included, so you'll need to purchase it separately if you want to take full advantage of the saw's precision. It's also intended mainly for wood and wood-based materials, rather than multi-material cutting. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L offers excellent precision, smooth performance, and thoughtful design. If you're looking for a high-quality plunge track saw for woodworking projects, it looks like a dependable option that's built with accuracy in mind.